Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Faison, and today guys I am in the kitchen. I have a taste for cabbage, so I'm going to do this quick and easy recipe. I think it takes about 35 to 40 minutes with cleaning the cabbage and the other ingredients, such as I'll be using some sliced Polish sausage to add in the mix, some baby carrots, and these are my seasonings: garlic powder, veggie grill seasoning, parsley flakes, one of my favorite seasonings I like to use, and instead of water to my cabbage, I'm going to add some vegetable broth. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of this, get the cabbage and everything washed up, and then I'll come back and share with you guys how I put this together. So guys, before I continue, if you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome, and I thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you that continue to show me so much love and support, I take this time also to say thanks. Now, if this is your first time here, I welcome you, and I would love to have you as part of the family. It's just easy. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. Make sure you all give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that you appreciate the hard work that I'm going to put into doing these cabbage. As you know, it's so hot in the kitchen. Never mind. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this together, and I will share with you guys as I go through. All right? Thank you all so much for stopping by. So much. I thank you. I really do. Y'all know I do. I appreciate it. But I got to get work. I got to make these cabbage. Hubby is hungry, and it's my job to get him fed. So I'm going to do that right now. So here, guys, this is my sausage. I have placed it in the pan. And this is kielbasa, Polish sausage that I'm using. These are the baby cut carrots that I'm using, and the cabbage. This is the remnants left from the sausage. And I just removed the sausage and placed it along the side. These are, again, my seasonings: the garlic powder, the parsley flakes, the grilled vegetable seasoning, and I'm going to season my peppers with the seasonings. And I let them cook until I just saute them. Then I added back in my cabbage and the carrots. And once my cabbage was to a crunch, I didn't like them really soft, but to a crunch, I added them back into my carrots, and then I am going to add it in my sausage, mix it all really good so that every bite that you have will have a little bit of everything that's in the pan. And as I stated before, I did not have the sugar out, but I did add about 3 tablespoons of sugar to the mix. And guys, this was so delicious. A perfect meal for two anytime that you want something different. This is a great meal for two. Quick and easy. Cabbage with the delicious sausage, the green and yellow peppers, baby carrots. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.